effectiveness. The incorporation of machine learning algorithms enables missiles to learn from past launches and improve their trajectory prediction, thereby increasing the success rate of hits. Secondly, AI minimizes risks. By incorporating predictive analytics, AI can foresee potential failures and malfunctions. This not only prevents costly errors but also safeguards lives by reducing the likelihood of unintentional damage. Moreover, AI streamlines the design process. It accelerates simulations, reducing the time required to test different design variants. This efficiency contributes to faster development cycles and cost savings. Lastly, the future potential of AI in missile design is immense. As technology continues to advance, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in optimizing missile performance and safety. AI is truly transforming the way we design missiles, enhancing their efficiency and reducing risks. Now that we understand the current role of AI in missile design, what can we expect in the future? As we peer into the future, we can see a world where AI not only assists in missile design, but has the potential to revolutionize it entirely. We can foresee a time when fully autonomous missiles powered by sophisticated AI systems can carry out complex missions with unparalleled precision and efficiency. This isn't mere science fiction. Advances in machine learning and data analysis are paving the way for autonomous systems that can adapt and react to changing circumstances in real time. The future may even see AI-powered defense systems that can predict threats before they materialize, significantly enhancing our ability to protect and defend. However, with these advancements come questions of ethics, control, and accountability. As we integrate AI deeper into our defense systems, we must also evolve our understanding of these challenges. While the future of AI in missile design holds many unknowns, one thing is certain: AI will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of defense technology.